Alibaba because it's charting global ambitions, and India clearly is playing a very important role in that. Now, Alibaba held its first Investor Day, where its founder and chairman Jack Ma laid out some very important objectives for the company. So just to recap what all he said, he's spoken about how they will have to more than double the GMV of 463 billion and achieving $1 trillion in GMV by 2020. That's really the lofty goal that Jack Ma has set out for the group. And remember, apart from China, cracking overseas markets is going to be a key push for Alibaba, particularly the US and more importantly India. But it really remains to be seen if they can replicate that success here, because remember, China is also a very regulated market. But talking about India, Alibaba is also in news today because the Economic Times reports that perhaps they will start making their entry here in the logistics space, and that they are in talks to invest in a couple of companies, that's Delivery and Expressbees. Of course, no official comment as yet, but remember, Krishna, Alibaba in the last few months has been talking more about an India entry. There are various speculations about how this will happen. You know, if they will, buy out Flipkart, that's a very strong speculation doing the rounds, or if they will do it via Paytm and Snapdeal. But clearly the India market is going to be one that's going to be fought between Amazon and Alibaba in the long run. That's what people are saying, and logistics is clearly going to be a very important component of that.
Absolutely. In fact, Jack Ma has been reinforcing his take, Chandra, about the iron triangle of the best, business model, so to speak, that includes e-commerce, payments, and logistics. He's been calling that the iron triangle. And if Alibaba's intentions are very clear to create that iron triangle over here in India to challenge incumbents like Amazon and Flipkart and Snapdeal, and it's very much on its way for at least what we at the Economic Times are hearing about.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.